I have owned several Teneres in my life, still own a couple, and one of my absolute favorite is the 660 first generation. I always wanted to have a proper rally spec version of it, like the Bird Tenere or even the Yamaha France Tenere, the Sonata one. I once had the opportunity to buy one. What just wasn't the right time at the moment, and I've been looking ever since. And I've never seen one come up for sale, and I'm dreading every moment of it. But next best thing, Yamaha released like a year ago the GYTR kit for the T7. This is my T7. It's a Euro 5 version, and I'm going to see if I can fit the kit to this bike. Officially, the kit is for the world rate, like the Euro 6 version of the bike with the bigger tanks and better suspension. But the kit also offers bigger tanks and better suspension, so I would guess that it should fit this bike as well, and I'm going to find out. So yeah, this is pretty much it. It's quite extensive. Let me turn the camera around. I started trying out putting everything where they kind of belong. It is a really extensive kit, like front wheel, front brakes, front suspension, new radiators, an oil cooler, very nicely made carbon skid plate, new exhaust, new wire loom, new air filter box, 2 front tanks, 2 rear tanks, new seat, rear suspension, also a bigger rear brake. There's this navigation tower. Those little boxes are headlights. A new control or indicator lights. And even still in the boxes are a lot of small pieces that all need to fit together. I think there is a sticker layout as well. I do like that there's like a single nut packed, and also in the boxes are even more small pieces left that I wanted to stay in the boxes. So later on I know from which item they came from. So yeah, all needs to go on there, and yeah, let's see if it fits.